super user dash root password DNF install FreeRadius. Yes, yes, complete. Now list the following directory. List, let's see, RadDB. And you will have two files, clients.conf, the file for devices, router, switch, access point, should be configured here. And a file for users. Users are the humans. Very nice. Okay, first create users on this file. So use a text editor to modify this. And if you want, create a backup for this file using the cp command. This file is placed on RadDB directory users. Create the backup before to modify users.original, for example. And now you are ready to change with a text editor like Vim this file. Colon set number to be the number of lines. And on this line, you can see an example. A user called Bob in the password. I key to insert, enter. My username, clear text, password, case sensitive, column equal, and my password. I will use this for now. That is enough. Escape key, column WQ to write and quit. And now configure the device on clients. And modify that that file, but create the backup. Clients.conf, clients.conf.original, cp command to create a backup, and now modify the file with text editor Vim. Enter. Now you have a client, the local host, and up here, okay, I will column set number to be the number of lines. Up here, I key to insert, and up here, create your client, your access point, for example. Client, use the IP address, IPv4 address of the device, the secret password can be radius pass 2020, for example, and use a short name for the device. It's an access point. case short name, and any name that you want. That is enough. You can add more clients, a router, a switch, any other client, escape key, column, WQ. And enable now the service and enable at boot system CTL, enable now. FreeRadius. Okay, let's see the options tab. Is radius D. Okay. System CTL enable now radius D. Enter. Very nice, very nice. Look at the status. Status active and running. Very good. Access the AP access point, the IP address of the device, enter the username and password, and for example, go to network, verify the correct IP address, wireless, set SSID, for example, outage emergent E, save, wireless security, choose WPA to enterprise, use the version 2, WPA 2, AES for the encryption, the server IP address 192.168.1.2.233. Okay. Verify the IP address of this server IP address. Okay, 233 on IPv4, 233 on IPv6. Radius port by default 1812, very good. And verify the port on the server. Use, for example, SSLN. You have 1812 and 1813 for the Radius server. And the password Radius path 2020. Remember, this IP address is the IP address created on the clients.com file. This clients.com file. This is the password. Save. Okay. And click here to reboot. Reboot. Okay. Okay. Verify if the firewall is working, is active, system CTL, status, firewall D, enter. Firewall is active and running. So if the firewall is active, you need to add the service or the ports to permit this service. Okay, firewall cmd add service equal to radius permanent. Enter. reload the firewall to apply changes and verify with list all. Now radius is permitted. Remember the username on this file. On this file, users on the RadDB directory, username 0 and passwords. On Windows client, this is my SSID, connect, username and password. Okay. Okay. Now connected. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Now list the following directory. List etc radius db and go to this file radiusd.conf. You can create a backup of this file because I will modify that file. Let's see, radiusdb radius.conf radiusd.conf. Let's see, reddb radiusd.conf .original. The backup is created. Now I will modify the radiusd.conf file with Vim. Set number to be the number of lines. And down here, this is the log. Okay. Log authentication request to the log file. Now change this to yes. I key to insert. Yes. Authorization bad pass logs password if it's rejected. Authentication good pass logs password if it's correct. So change this to yes and yes to log both actions. Good password, bad password, and good password. That is enough. Escape key, column WQ, and restart the service. Systemctl radiusd, restart radiusd. Verify the status. Active and running. Very good. You need to find the log file for radius. For example, ls bar log bar log. Okay, ls bar log, enter. This is the radius directory, ls bar log radius, and you have a radius.log file. This is the file to monitor the events on the server. So you will use this. You can use the tail tool with the real-time option. the directory var.log radius and file radius.log. Enter. These are the last lines of the file. Okay, look at the date, recent date. And now you can test, for example, disconnect. And I will connect again. Now you have another event. The event size login OK. This username, this device. Okay, Control C, go to users file and add a new user. This file, users file, and here I key to insert, add a new user. Password, escape key, column WQ, restart the service, systemctl restart radius D. Enter. Very good. Monitor again the log file with this option. Okay, you can see here wrong password. Okay, this is the username. Now login OK, the username on this device. This username access to this AP, to this access point. Very good. Thank you.